Alright, it's bright and early, gym time, chest and bicep day. Alright, that's it. Time to go home, get ready for work. Shoulder's still bothering me a little bit. Still did a full workout, but alright, just packing up stuff. Putting boxes I gotta ship out in the truck, and it's time to go to work. Finally at work. I'm hoping for a slow day. I brought some stuff here to take care of on my break and lunch. Wrap soap, place labels. I keep looking out for our products on the influencer that we sent it to. I'm hoping that they like them well enough to at least mention them. And this is so ridiculous. I was messing with it the other night and it just turned red as all hell. It's not a zit. I just got a call that the probation building is leaking again, so I'm running over to see what's happening. This should be interesting. This happened a couple months ago. The back office just got completely flooded, so I'm curious to see what happened this time. Alright, this should be interesting. Last time the whole back office flooded out.
We had that conversation
Alright, now that madness is over, I'm trying to run the package to the post office. See what kind of trouble I can get into at this place. I got lucky. There's a post office box right there. I don't have to deal with those jackasses at the Tacoma post office today. I have no idea why, but this painting drives me crazy, and it's in one of our stairwells. So every time I take the stairs, I have to look at this thing. Go for it, baby girl. Eat the whole thing.
I'm gonna do it.
Thought you said it wasn't hot. Do it. Come on.
Come on, Miller.
Little meat kitty. Hi, kitty kitty. Oh, such a good kitty. Little kitty.